Oh, yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. It's different.
It's so good.
Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants. What are we making today?
We are making another pesto. I think we've made like 75.
You can't have too many pestos.
It's just we've made...
Unless you don't like basil.
Yeah.
Well, then you have another problem. But anyway, if you like...
Yeah, you should really like pesto. So
Pesto's good.
we are making, and this one isn't, we're not like splitting an atom here. All we're doing is a pistachio pesto. So we have a recipe coming up really soon where we're going to be making a meatball pizza that has a Roman...
Don't share all the secrets yet.
Okay.
You gotta
We're making it for an up.
tease.
You're right. That's a cliffhanger.
Yeah.
So we're making it for an upcoming recipe that you're going to have to watch. There's the cliffhanger.
There you go.
Okay. Anyway, so we're just using our basic Genovese pesto recipe.
You're
but
giving it away.
Well, no, it's a pistachio. You got to tell them what it is. It's a pistachio.
You gotta tease them, and you have to keep watching to see what's different about it besides pistachios.
Okay, let's just rewind. We're making something, but we're not telling you what in the hell we're making. You just
so
got to keep watching.
Yeah, that's what we should do. All right.
Okay.
Let's make pesto.
We're making a pistachio pesto.
I'm telling you.
All right, here we go.
I'm off. I'm gonna go make it.
Okay. Newsflash, she doesn't make any of this.
Yes,
I make it
do.
all.
Yes, I do.
So if you have a food processor, you have to be making your own pesto. So let's get started. I'm going to first throw in the pistachios and the garlic and give those a pulse to really kind of break up the pistachios because they're a little bit harder than a pine nut that you would use in a traditional pesto. After that's all ground up, next we're going to add in our basil, along with our vegan Parmesan cheese, followed up by our spices. We're going to put the cover back on, get the food processor going again, and then slowly drizzle in our olive oil to get that, just completely incorporated in. I'm going to stop it about halfway through, scrape down the sides, give it another quick pulse, and that's it. It is so easy, and it is already done.
We have pesto.
It looks yummy and it smells delicious.
It does, and the bread looks good. I love pesto. So you can see all of the pistachios comparatively to pine nuts are a lot harder of a nut. So pine nuts really just kind of blend in and you almost don't know that they're in there. But you can absolutely, one of the things about pistachios,
chunks and
yeah, you absolutely can. So
I think I got the bigger piece.
I think you did. Whatever. Cheater.
Oh, yeah.
Right? It's different.
It's so good.
Different than a traditional Genovese with pine nuts. And that's the only thing I did. I followed our Genovese pesto recipe, which I'll put down below if you want that one, along with some of our other pesto recipes. And I just swapped it out for pistachios, and that's it. I think it's great. So
It's richer.
yeah, which is hard to. You wouldn't think it's you wouldn't think that it's richer because pine nuts are so very rich. So, and if you liked watching this, you have to. So I purposely came up with this because we're in a video that we're going to be releasing hopefully soon. We're actually making a vegan pistachio Roman meatball. It's a meatball recipe that's super popular in Rome. We found out about it. It was at Giada from Giada di Laurentiis.
We're like, those look good. We could veganize that.
And we totally did. It's not going to be the healthiest thing in the world, but it is going to be good. Yeah. So stay tuned. But this was yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think we've had a fail with any of the pestos.
No, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. So thank you for watching.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya.
See ya.